The SARMERT 4K Dash Cam offers a comprehensive 3-channel recording system ensuring crystal clear footage with its 4K front camera, 1080p cabin camera, and rear camera. Equipped with advanced night vision and wide dynamic range technology, this dash cam provides sharp images and effectively balances lighting conditions, enhancing safety at all times. Users have the flexibility to customize recording modes, allowing for dual or full 3-channel recording, all while maintaining stunning 4K and 1080p image quality. With the integration of 5G Wi-Fi and GPS, the SARMERT Dash Cam allows for fast wireless data transmission and detailed recording of your vehicle's location and route. The dash cam's G sensor and loop recording functions ensure critical footage is automatically locked and older files are overwritten, with a 24-hour parking monitor offering additional security. Easy installation and dedicated support make the SARMERT Dash Cam user-friendly, providing peace of mind with professional assistance available for any queries.